Hey guys, hey, I'm Barbara D at Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a Coachmen 208 BHS. This is a nice rig. It's got a walk-around bed. It's got two really big bunks in the back, some extra storage back there, a nice bathroom, 20 feet long, 23 feet overall. Perfect for a family of 4 and a nice week out at the campgrounds. You've got this really nice gel coat cap here, LED lighting. It's got a nice tank here, some protection for the material underneath there, great pass-through storage, and as you notice when you look in there, that's completely enclosed, so it's weather resistant and people resistant too. A magnet instead of a clip, notice that? This is nice because the plastic clips eventually don't, they wear out in the sun. A magnet's not going to let you down at any time. Also, hey, guess what? Solar ready. So if you want to go out to the boonies, you can. We're going to come around here real quick. And just because this is a simple trailer, I want to show you a few things. It's nice to have this grab handle. You're coming in with something in your hand and going out. You've got this awning that goes all the way down the side of the trailer. Outside lights and speakers. You can flip this window open over the kitchen sink and see what's going on out here. You've got dual axles. You've also got a storage bay back here that gives you access underneath this bed. So let's go on in and take a look. That's the, seeing is believing. Let's go in and take a peek. Now, I love the light colors. And you notice that I'm in shorts and I can slide right across this, no problem. It's soft on the back. I can touch. You've got this great area right here. You can open up the window for some ventilation. Someone can be cooking here. And look at this. Check out the kitchen. I'm just going to talk about that. So now you have a 20-foot trailer with a small slide on it, only 4,000 pounds. And you've got the big refrigerator, you've got a nice sink, a functional stove, and a microwave. Lots of cabinet space above in the kitchen. The nice sofa that if you go to the front of the RV, what we're going to have here is, which is really nice, now you got a couch. Someone can be sitting here at the dinette, someone can be sitting on the couch visiting, and this is going to also make down into a bed. So you flip this down like this. I want to be careful with it because it's new. But there you go. Now you've got a nice bed. A bed that's long enough for someone that's tall. That's the big thing. A lot of these beds are fine, but you need to have something that's tall. And you have a window here, which is nice. Now you can see what's going on. Closets on both sides. When you want to put it away, you just flip it over very simply. Slips out like this, slips right back in place, and you're back in business for the sofa. See, there's some storage underneath there as well. It's a good place to stick your blankets. Overhead storage, all LED lighting. These bunks back here will hold 200 pounds. So the kids could actually get to be 15, 16 years old and be able to use these. Also under here, you've got some storage to go right along with it. This is going to hinge up here. This mattress is going to fold up. This is going to come up like this. And it takes a little bit to get it there, but there's all that storage. So there's a place for the backpacks or good, who knows what else. Backpacks are a good start. Backpacks and shoes. And there's your bathroom. So think about this in 20 feet, you guys. This unit will actually sleep 2, 4, 6, 8 people. 8 people in a 20-foot trailer. That's only 4,000 pounds. Come on out and sit down on this thing. Take a look at it. It's worthwhile. It's very reasonably priced. It's a low monthly payment and a great trailer that'll last a long time. My name is Barbara D. I'm right here in trailers. My number is 541-521-4232. Give me a call. I'm looking forward to talking to you. Okay, bye-bye.